Okay, so I hadn't made a video for about a total of 1 month already. And the reason why is because of two things. One, I've been writing a very long script. Reason number two is because I've been waiting for this bad boy. Alright, let's see what this is. It's a professional microphone. I ordered this from Lazada, I think. Or is it Shopee? Yeah, Lazada. Wow. That is a lot of parts. Damn, this is gonna take me a while. Oh my god. Whew. Whew. Okay. Okay. I'll be testing this tomorrow. Testing. 1, 2, 3. I got GTA 5 for free. Oh. Okay, so in conclusion, it works well. It works perfectly well. As long as you have all of the materials. Yeah. Go order this online. God damn, that was a lot of work. I still don't know what the hell is this for.
The future.
So yeah, I'll be making videos for maybe more than 3 weeks because I'm gonna be making lots and lots of videos continuously and what's the other word? Continuously, whatever. Since I finally got this, I will record like a professional. Stay tuned for maybe 3 weeks, or maybe 4 weeks, or 5 weeks, or 1 month, I don't know, because it'll take me very long. It'll take me a very long time to make all of these videos continuously. And what's the other word? I forgot what is the other word. Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember what's the other word, but I'll just say continuously. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay safe from the coronavirus. I really hope you will. Because according to the news, in Philippines, the virus is just getting worse and worse and worse. God damn, please pray to God. Pray to God that this will all end soon.